Here at Pub Station, guests at the Northern Plains Resource Council's 53rd annual meeting received an in-depth look at one of the most unique court cases to come out of our state, hearing from those directly involved in the court case Held versus Montana. As a Montana native,
born and raised,
Olivia Vesovic has a deep appreciation for her home.
I love Missoula, I love Montana.
That passion for the treasure state and everything it has to offer.
My generation's children's children, we're going to be the last generation to see the snow in the glaciers at Glacier National Park. And I was like, oh my God.
Prompted her to become one of the 16 youth plaintiffs in the court case of Held versus Montana.
I got into this case when I was 16 years old, and I felt like my voice didn't matter.
Suing the state back in 2020 for not protecting their constitutional right to a clean and healthful environment, a perspective community members keenly listened to during her and her attorney's keynote speech at the Northern Plains Resource Council's 53rd annual meeting.
It was just really impactful and powerful to have us from all over Montana talking about how we can literally see climate change impacting us, and clearly the courts listened.
The state fought very, very hard to keep this case from going to trial.
With the help of the Children's Trust attorney, Nate Bellinger, the district court ruled in favor of the plaintiffs.
It's the first time a court has declared government laws promoting and encouraging fossil fuels to be unconstitutional.
But there's still work to be done.
We need to make sure that the state follows through with its constitutional obligations.
As they wait to see how the Montana Supreme Court will rule on the state's appeal of the district court's decision.
When we have successes, it just means that we have to keep fighting and we have to keep trying for more successes, and we have to just keep working.
In Billings, Alina Howder, MTN News.